All right. This is just going to be a simple onboarding video. We're going to run you through the platform, make sure you know how to use everything, and then we'll also tell you how to contact us if you have any questions. So right here, starting out, this is the page you're going to be on when you first sign in or when you first sign up. Might also be where you're watching this video. You got the My Account here, you've got your profile name. Your username, email, passwords, all that sort of stuff. You can edit your profile, change your password, log out. Right here, my memberships, that's going to show you everything you need to know about your membership, which membership you have currently. You can also change your membership or cancel your membership right here. And then you also have order history, so that'll show you all of your um, all your orders in the past, and I think it'll show you anytime you've been billed. And then getting into the dashboard. This is your main dashboard, right? So whenever you're on the platform, this is going to be like your main page. So from here, you can join our Telegram. So that's where we post any sort of like quick market notes, snippets, screenshots, throw in some charts there. Anything that is kind of like a fast hitting market update or note that isn't really worth like posting an article about, then that's where you'll be able to find those. And then also in the Telegram, you can contact us directly, ask any sort of questions, clarify things. That's where we're usually available to chat. Always happy to answer questions about macro, crypto, any sort of investing knowledge, all that sort of stuff. Um, and then here you got latest publication. This is going to be pretty much the last thing that we posted on the website. And then here you've got the current Bitcoin positioning signal. This is an easy way, since we added this to the dashboard, that way you can pretty easily just log in, view the dashboard, and you can see like, all right, how's Bitcoin trading right now? And what's the current market regime, right? So are we in a more of a risk on or a risk off market? And then you've also got the fear and greed index here. We don't really use this in terms of like our quantitative process for like position sizing or for making trades, but it's something that's good. Just it's extra information, helps you get a good barometer on the market. Another thing here, we've got our market strength index. We will dive into this in our in the video where we go through like all of our models and all that sort of stuff. But this is pretty much just another barometer for the market. Helps you understand, all right, is the market bullish or bearish, right? If it's got a red background, then the market is a little more bearish. You can also look at it here, right? If it's trending down, then more bearish. And then here you can also check out the latest prices for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. You can also see the 7-day change. And then you can also click these buttons in order to view our quantitative tools dashboard, and then also the portfolio. Here you're going to see any sort of research reports, market insights, market updates, macro updates, and then also any sort of like project research that we publish. So if we publish a piece on a project that we think is a good opportunity, then that'll be here too. Learn. So any sort of learning resources. So like here, tokenomics, layer twos, MetaMask, let's see, the regulation, all that sort of stuff. You can view that here. And then this is our trades. So you can see any sort of trades whenever we post, like usually in here, we will post either if we see a short-term opportunity for a trade, we'll post it here. Or if sometimes we have a ready, fire, aim kind of mentality. So if we see an opportunity and we know enough about the project that we want to post a quick trade and we want to get in and start building that position, then we'll throw a trade alert up here. We'll just like a quick post for a trade. And then we'll go and dive more into the project and then publish like a deeper research report on it. Getting into this is the Learn Crypto page. So for now, this is pretty basic. It's literally just blockchain, and you've got learn the basics. So you've got tokenomics, how to use MetaMask, crypto protocols, proof of reserves, how to use blockchain, or what are consensus mechanisms, what is a blockchain, what are cryptocurrencies, smart contracts, all the sort of basic learning resources. And then we've got crypto regulation. So you can read a little more about crypto regulation here. Most of this is going to be more in terms of the United States. Here we've got layer 2 technologies. So you can learn about like the Lightning Network, a basic overview of layer 2s. A lot of this is going to be the stuff that is on the learn section and the dashboard. And then we've got learn blockchain protocols and DeFi. And then also, so if you want to learn about a specific project, right? So like Injective Protocol, Cardano, Binance, Aave, all these different, any sort of like, if you want to learn about a specific blockchain or protocol, then that's going to be here as well. Obviously, we don't have resources for everything, but building that up over time. This page is our market updates. So any sort of market updates or macro updates. So anything that's related to broader market trends or anything to do with macro is going to be right in here. And then this is the portfolio dashboard. So this is going to be any projects that we've published research reports on that are we're going to add that to our portfolio. Sometimes we'll have just like the majors in here, projects that are kind of more watch listy that we just think are interesting to keep an eye on, then we'll throw those in here. And then also sometimes if there is a project that we see that we publish like a trade report on, sometimes the trade alert projects, then we'll throw those in here as well. And then right here, if we published a research report on one of the projects in this, in the portfolio, then you can click read report and you can view it right here. It also has the current positioning signal for that project. And these are updated every single day. So if it says the last signal change, that means this was the last time that the signal changed to whatever the current signal is, right? So for example, right here, you can see that the last signal picked up for Solana was 112. And then also price added. This is whatever price that we added the project to the portfolio. So this gives you an idea of when we added the project to the portfolio. This is our quantitative tools dashboard. So in here, we've got the quantitative positioning signals for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and then we also added the S&P 500, so you can get an idea of what stocks are doing as well. And then we've got the market strength index, which is the same thing that you saw in the dashboard. And we've got the market regime, so you can track the market regime, see what the current market regime is, and you can also see all the ins and outs of that. So dominant regime, some of market regimes. And then you can also see the market regimes across time. And then here we've got the macro risk indicator. And then here we've got the economic regime model. And then also the chart for the economic regimes across time. And then we've got a theoretical portfolio backtest. So this is where you can view all of our quantitative tools and use those in order to manage risk within your portfolio and get a better idea of not just what's happening with the crypto trend, but also what the broader macro models are saying. In terms of the menu up here, you've got the Learn Crypto page. Under research, you have all publications, so you can view every single publication on our website. And then on there, it's also easy you can like sift through different categories. So it's kind of easy to basically view everything from that page. Research and insights, market updates page, the trades page. So all the trades that we showed you in the dashboard, you can click here and you can see all of those trades. Portfolio, quant deck, and then if you want to read a little bit about our process, then you can also just check that out there. And then in order to view your account page, you're going to just check that out right here. Just click that icon whenever you're logged in. And then we've got the chat function in the bottom right of the website. So whenever you have technical questions, any sort of support questions, then you can just use the chat function and we'll try and get back to you as soon as possible on that. So that's pretty much it. We should have a video out for you to learn more about our tools and our process and all of our models and all that sort of stuff. That is going to be much more technical, and but that's going to give you a lot of going to be a good resource to actually help you understand our research, understand how we think about markets, and understand how you can actually, effectively implement our process into your investing strategy in order to manage your risk or maximize your upside capture in bull markets.